usually don't do stuff like this here, but I have a feeling that when I put the shellac on these, they're gonna look crazy good. So I thought I'd film it. So let's see. Oh, dude, that's ridiculous. Uh-oh. Might have a little bit of glue over here that I didn't see, so that might need some sanding. But that looks, look how crazy that is. That is nuts. All right, now this one's gonna be insane. Like right here is gonna be insane. All right, let's start at the top. Dude. Oh man, these are crazy good. Oh, that's insane. Let's see if I can get this. Alright, that one is like book matched. That one I book matched, and it's awesome. This one I screwed up. It should be book matched, but it's actually flipped. But anyway, so these are the shades I'm working on for some lamps I'm shipping out, which you can see the video for that on my site here. So I think, let's see, right here I've got a little something right there. I don't know what the hell that is, so I'm gonna have to sand. I'm gonna have to come back and sand that one, at least that one spot there. But this one, because I can see that. But man, that looks. Ooh, I'm giddy. Look at all this compression figure here. That's actually like part of a knot right there, but I don't know what this like horizontal or yeah, this diagonal checking is right there. Let's see if I can get a better shot of that. Let's see that right there? I don't know what causes that, but it is cool. Alright, those kind of look incredible. So, yeah, those are awesome. God, this is so good. Look how good this looks. It's crazy. It's crazy how good this looks. I need to sand it, give it a couple more coats, but this is crazy good. This lady's gonna freak when she gets these things.